Today we will discuss some important questions for board examination. Now we solve this problem. Is 301 a term of the AP? Series is given here 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on. We represent first term of this series by A. So A is 5 and common difference D is equal to 11 minus 5 or is equal to 6. Let 301 is nth term of this series. So Tn is equal to 301. But we know that nth term of AP Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 301, because Tn is 301, is equal to A 5 plus n minus 1 into D is 6 here, or is equal to 5 plus 6n minus 6, 301 equal to, or 6n is equal to 302, or n is equal to 302 by 6, or is equal to 151 by 3, or will be equal to 50 and 1 by 3. This is not belongs to n. So 301 is no term of this series. Now we solve next problem. If mth term of an AP be 1 by n and its nth term be 1 by m, then so that its mnth term is 1. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of given series. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of given series. We know Tn is equal to nth term of AP. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Using this formula, given that mth term is 1 by n, it means Tm is equal to A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by n. Equation number 1. Similarly, given that nth term is 1 by m, it means Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by m. Equation number 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2, we find A plus n minus 1, we find A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon n, and A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon m. This cancel by this, or we find D into m minus 1 minus n minus 1 is equal to 1 upon n minus 1 upon m, or will be equal to mn is LCM here, or we find m minus n. So D into m minus n is equal to m minus n by mn, or D will be equal to 1 upon mn. Now on putting the value of D in equation number 1, we find A plus m minus 1 into 1 upon mn is equal to 1 upon n, or A plus 1 upon n minus 1 upon mn is equal to 1 upon n. So 1 upon n cancel by 1 upon n, or we find A will be equal to 1 upon mn. So first term is 1 upon mn and common difference is also 1 upon mn, but we want to find here mnth term of the series. So T mn is equal to A, and A is given here 1 upon mn plus n minus 1, n is mn minus 1 into D is 1 upon mn, or we find 1 upon mn plus 1 minus 1 upon mn, or this cancel by this, we find 1. So T mnth term of the series is 1 here. Now we discuss next problem. If ABC are in AP, then show that first 1 upon BC, 1 upon CA, 1 upon AB are in AP, and second A into B plus C upon BC, B into C plus A upon CA, C into A plus B upon AB are in AP also. So first we solve first. Given that ABC are in AP, given that ABC are in AP, if we divide each term of this series by ABC, then series will also be in AP. So divide each term by ABC, we find 1 upon BC, 1 upon CA, 1 upon AB. This will also be in AP. Hence proved. In second, given that ABC are in AP, if we divide each term by ABC, we find 1 upon BC, 1 upon AC, and 1 upon AB will also be in AP. If you multiply each term by AB plus BC plus CA, then this will be equal to AB plus BC plus CA divided by BC, AB plus BC plus CA divided by AC, and AB plus BC plus CA divided by AB. Or will be equal to AB plus CA upon BC plus 1. This will be AB plus BC upon AC plus 1, and this will be BC plus CA upon AB plus 1. This will also be in AP. This will be AP, or this will also be in AP. If we subtract 1 from each term, then we find AB plus CA upon BC, AB plus BC upon AC, and this will be BC plus CA upon AB. This will also be in AP. Or will be equals to A into B plus C upon BC, B into A plus C upon AC, and C into A plus B upon AB. This will also be in AP. Hence proved. Now we discuss next problem. If B plus C minus A by A, C plus A minus B by B, A plus B minus C by C are in AP, then prove that 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C are also in AP. So given that B plus C minus A upon A, C plus A minus B upon B, and A plus B minus C upon C are in AP. Given that B plus C minus A upon A, C plus A minus B upon B, A plus B minus C upon C are in AP. If we add 2 in each term of this series, then series will also be in AP. So B plus C minus A upon A plus 2, C plus A minus B upon B plus 2, and A plus B minus C upon C plus 2 will also be in AP. So on solving, we find B plus C plus A upon A, C plus A plus B upon B, and A plus B plus C upon C will also be in AP. If we divide each term by A plus B plus C, then we find 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C is in AB also? Hence proved.